Building wealth has never been more important than it is in today's fast-paced and very competitive world. Getting the right skills can make all the difference, whether you want to be an entrepreneur, a salesperson, or just someone who wants to protect their financial future. Listen, if you look at the world's richest people, you'll notice that they all have 5 skills that regular people like us can use to change our lives and become financially free. We can use these 5 skills to get to the point where we don't need any money at all, even if we don't become billionaires. The freedom to choose where to go and who to do it with. I'm going to give you these 5 skills in just a few minutes. If you use just one of them, you'll be able to get great results. Let's get started. But if you're new to our channel, then do subscribe. Skill 1. Being smart about money. You might or might not know this. A lot of money makes rich people rich, but wealth keeps them rich. That may sound crazy, but it's true because it's about how much money they spend. Over time, investing is one of the best ways to get rich. You can make more than the rate of inflation on your money by putting it to work for you. This will help your money grow and compound over time. One of the best things about saving is that your money will work for you even when you're not performing any tasks. But with so many choices to choose from, it can take time and work to figure out where to put your money. Stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, and cryptocurrencies are all common choices. Each of these comes with its own risks and benefits. Before you choose the right type of investment for you, you should carefully think about how much risk you are willing to take, your financial goals, and how long you have to reach those goals. When making investment choices, it's also important to do a lot of research and due diligence. This can include doing things like reading financial records, keeping an eye on market trends, and asking professionals for help. With smart investments, you can get rich over time and reach your long-term financial goals. Skill 2. Making more than one source of income. If you have more than one source of income, like a job, a business, or even an investment, you can lower the risk of relying on just one. This is a very important skill. Having more than one way to make money is more important than ever in today's world where things are always changing. When global crises and changes in the economy happen, they can affect your main source of income and put you in a tough spot. Making more than one source of income is possible based on your skills, interests, and level of experience. You could start a side business, make and sell online classes, invest in real estate, get passive income from stocks or rental properties that pay dividends, or become a freelancer or expert in your field. To make more than one source of income, you need to start small, see how things go, and then add on as you learn more and gain confidence. Also, you need to make a plan and set goals. Put options that fit your skills and interests at the top of your list and pay special attention to those that will help you grow the most. Don't be afraid to try new things and learn, and don't be afraid to take measured risks. Building up multiple sources of income can give you more financial freedom and protection if you work hard and make smart choices. Skill 3. Saving money and making a budget. The real secret is that planning and saving are important skills for getting rich and being financially secure. Having a savings plan in place makes sure that you have extra money in case of an emergency, like losing your job or getting sick. Budgeting, on the other hand, helps you understand and control your costs better and spend your money on the things that are most important to you. It might seem hard to make a budget, but it doesn't have to be. First, keep track of what you spend for 1 month. You should write down your set costs like rent, mortgage, and utilities, and your variable costs like food, entertainment, and shopping. Then look at your income and expenses and see where you can save money. Changes you can make to save more money will be possible once you know where your money is going. As an effective way to save, you can set up automatic transfers from your bank account to a savings account every time you get paid. Another important part of planning and saving is living below your means. It means you have more money than you spend. You can save a big chunk of your income this way, which you can then use to settle debt, build up an emergency fund, or put money into investments for the future. You can also avoid lifestyle inflation by living below your means. This is when your costs rise as your pay rises. This could be a trap that makes it harder to reach your money goals. Making a budget and saving money may mean giving up some things, but the rewards are worth it. You can build wealth, get financial security, and have a better future if you learn to live within your means and save money. Skill 4. Networking and making connections. This is a trick that rich people use that anyone can use to get ahead. To get ahead in business and in life, you need to network. A strong network of contacts can lead to new chances, helpful advice and guidance, and partnerships and collaborations that are good for everyone. Having good relationships can also help you get money, clients, and links that can help you in your field. It takes more than just swapping business cards at events to network well. It's about getting to know people and really caring about what they have to say. Find the important people in your area or industry and then get in touch with them. You can join important clubs or groups, go to relevant events, and take part in online communities. It's important to keep the friendship going after you've made a connection. You can do this by keeping in touch, being helpful, and being a good source of information. Although it takes time and work to build ties, they can pay off in the long run. Being helpful and adding worth to other people's lives is a great way to build relationships. Share what you know, offer your help, or put people in touch with people who can help them. Let them know that you're ready to help them with anything. When you act and think this way, people will want to help you and will want to do so. Getting what you want, giving back, and helping other people are all parts of networking and building relationships. As you help other people, you'll make useful links that can help you reach your long-term goals and get rich. Skill 5. Become an entrepreneur and start a business. Being an entrepreneur is a great way to get rich because it gives you control over your financial future and opens up new possibilities. Starting your own business can be hard, but it can also be very satisfying, and you could make a lot of money from it. But it's important to keep in mind that starting a business comes with risks, and not all businesses succeed. A good idea is the first step in starting a business. It's important to find a market problem or need that needs to be filled and make sure that your idea can fill that need. Once you're sure about your idea, you need to do market research and write a business plan that includes information about your target market, competitors, and how much money you expect to make. Once you're sure about your idea and have a good business plan, the next step is to get money, which could come from personal funds, loans, investors, or crowdfunding. The grant will help you get your business up and running, get your product or service out there, and start making sales. If you want to turn your business idea into a profitable venture, you need to focus on providing a high-quality product or service. It's also important to have a good business plan and be able to change with the times of the market. To be an entrepreneur, you have to work hard, keep going, and be ready to take chances. Building a great business and becoming financially independent is possible for people who are willing to put in the time and work. Tell us about your thoughts in the comments section below and subscribe now to watch more of us.